I'd like to share with you guys a little problem I had with my Harman pellet stove. I'm making this video because I couldn't find much about it on the web or on YouTube. What my stove was doing was making a buzzing sound. It was brrr. I left for work, came home, it was making that brrr sound to it, just a buzz. And I unplugged it, plugged it back in, got nothing. And what it turned out to be was my combustion motor, which is right here. You pull the pan out, you got a fan, you'll see when you pull your pan out. And it was that. Your pellet stove won't do anything if that motor is seized up. Sometimes you can unfree it, and there's a set screw, pull the fan off. But you gotta take off your back panel, so you gotta move your stove, take your doors off, take off your panels. There's some screws here you can't see. There's like 1, 2, and that loosens, and you just loosen those up. Slide your take your doors off. They just unhook, just up and down real quick, and comes off. And that's what I had going on with mine. I didn't have a status light blinking to tell you anything about that. And now my stove is fine, but I do have a little clip of a guy I had working on mine. And there's just a set screw to the fan in the front, a couple bolts in the back. Pull it out, put your doing in. It cost me. I bought a new fan with mine because when you buy it, it doesn't come with the propeller fan. So I bought a new fan with mine, just have it all new, and it works great. And that's it. If your stove's not doing anything, that's usually your first motor to go. And yeah, because it just gets too hot. And I have a little clip of the guy I had taking mine off. But I hope this video helps anybody out there, because like I said, I couldn't find anything. I've seen a bunch of people working on stoves and everything, but never had the problem I had, which was just a buzzing stove, or a buzzing sound when I came home from work.
When you hear that motor blow off the back, we know we're good.